Jack, what does an A say? What does a B say?
Ba.
What does a C say? What does a D say?
Da.
What does an E say? What does a F say? What does a G say? G.
Ga.
What does a H say? What does an I say? What does a J say?
Da.
J.
Da.
What does a K say? What does an L say? What does an M say? M. What does an N say? What does an O say?
Oh.
What does a P say? Do that one again. What does a P say? Pa. What does a Q say?
Ki.
What does an R say? What does a S say? What does a T say? What does a U say?
He.
What does a V say? What does a W say?
Wa.
What does an X say? X. What does a Y say?
Why?
It says yeah.
Yeah.
What does a Z say? Z.
Did.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.